I did a Facebook Live about how to convert your documents to make them Google compatible. I found a really, really fast way to do it, faster than the way I just showed you. So I'm going to show you using DocHub, and you can also use Cami, but I'm just going to show you DocHub. You have to connect it to your Google, but it's really easy. So let's say I'm going to say new, file upload, and I'm going to click on this interactive notebook activity. Okay, so it's complete. I usually go to recent to find it. So there it is. And I'm going to open it with DocHub. And there it is. And so now I'm going to go over here and share it. I'm just going to copy this link. And that's the link I'm going to give to my students. So now here it is. All they have to do is click on this A here and type their answer. Is that super simple or what? Okay, so there's another really easy way that you can convert your regular PDFs to Google, to make them Google compatible, and you don't even have to put it in text boxes. So it's called DocHub, or you can use Cami, K-A-M-I.